how to factory reset Acer PC or laptop without the password. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on your Acer computer running Windows 10 or Windows 11 without having to enter the PIN or the password. So if you've forgotten it, you could still factory reset your computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. During this time, I do recommend having the laptop plugged in because we are doing a factory reset. So if the battery dies, that could cause issues with the laptop. So plug it in if you can. So now to get started from the lock screen, what you want to do is hold the shift key on your keyboard, and we're going to be holding it for around 20 to 30 seconds. Then go down, select the power button, and then select restart. Select restart anyway, and we're just going to continue to hold the shift button on our keyboard. Do not let go until you see the screen turn blue. You'll see please wait, just keep holding the shift button. Now that we're at the blue screen, we're in recovery mode, you can let go. So from here, just go ahead and select troubleshoot and then reset this PC. Now, when you get into reset this PC, you have two options. You can either keep my files, this just removes some of the apps and settings, or you can remove everything. And this removes all your personal files, all your apps, and all your settings. And this is what you would do if you're going to be getting rid of the laptop or selling it. So I'm going to use that as an example. So I'll select that. Regardless of what you just chose there, you'll then need to select how you're going to reinstall Windows. So if you're on like a metered connection, like maybe you're using a mobile hotspot, something like that, select local install. This may not be the latest version of Windows, but it'll be what's installed on the laptop currently. So you can download it at a later time if you want to update Windows. Cloud download will download the latest version of Windows, and it may just take a little bit longer. They say it's going to use more than 4 gigs of data, so just keep that in mind. I'm just going to do local install. Now, if you're selling the laptop or getting rid of it in any way, I recommend selecting fully clean the drive. This is going to take a lot longer, but what it's going to do is it's going to write over all the data on the drive so that it cannot be recovered. So no one can steal your personal data after you give them the laptop or sell them the laptop, something like that. So go ahead and select fully clean the drive if that's what you're doing. If you're keeping the laptop, just select just remove my files. So that's what I'm going to select. It's going to process that. I do recommend just going through and looking at what it says right here so you can make sure that you've selected everything correctly, and then selecting reset. It'll then start resetting the computer. It's going to show you the progress at the bottom. And then once it's done, depending on what you selected, you'll either be able to log into the laptop and it'll be factory reset, or you'll need to set it up like it's a brand new laptop that you just got. So just give it some time. Depending on what you selected, it may take anywhere from an hour to several hours to factory reset. And this one took about an hour. You'll need to go through the setup process just like you did when you first got the laptop. So you'll need to set up the laptop, add your Microsoft account, and then you can start using it, or you're ready to sell your laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.